Is your credit card making you wealthy, or is it dragging you deeper into debt? You might not realize it, but your everyday use of a credit card could one day build the foundation for future success, or push you towards financial ruin. Today, we'll learn how using your credit card wisely can not only keep you debt-free, but also boost your credit score in a way that sets you on a path to greater prosperity. So, before you scroll away, this could be the most important video for your financial future. Don't forget, credit cards aren't like TikTok. There's no scroll and lose nothing. But if you make mistakes here, you'll lose your future score. 1. Misusing credit cards. What you don't know will hurt you. Voice, alarming and serious. Only paying the minimum balance each month. Overspending. Falling into the interest trap. Does this sound familiar? Even when you think you're doing everything right, in reality, you might be building a financial weapon against yourself for the future. Credit card companies want exactly that. So you'll be drowning in interest as you try to pay back every penny. And this is the first step toward the downfall of your credit score. Yes, they want you swimming in interest because you won't even be able to buy a small boat with those reward points from your credit card. But the story doesn't end here. What can you actually do? 2. Always pay off your balance in full on time. This isn't just a good habit, it's essential. As you build the habit of paying off your entire bill on time, you're not just avoiding interest, you're building a strong credit score, which will prevent you from taking loans at high interest rates in the future. Imagine you have a dream of buying a house, but the bank is penalizing you with high interest rates just because of your past credit mistakes. Is that really something you want? When you're paying thousands of dollars in interest, was that late-night pizza really worth it? Build this habit, and you'll see your score skyrocket in no time. 3. Keep your credit utilization below 30%. Stay in control. One key rule of credit card use is to never spend more than 30% of your limit. While it may seem simple, it can be quite a challenge in practice. If you go beyond that limit, credit bureaus may see you as credit hungry, and that will pull your score down. Imagine hiring someone who's always maxing out their credit cards. That's the same thought process credit bureaus have. Yes, buying that 50-inch TV is exciting, but when the hit to your credit score comes, is it really worth 50 inches of happiness? Keep it under control and secure your future. 4. Set up automated payments. Let forgetting be a thing of the past. Sometimes we simply forget. Maybe we were busy or something important slipped through the cracks. But once a late payment hits your credit report, it can affect you for years. That's why setting up automated payments is so crucial. Your payments will be confirmed on a set date each month, and you can have peace of mind knowing your score won't be harmed by a simple mistake. Because it's way easier to forget your morning coffee than to improve a credit score. 5. Use different types of credit. Strengthen your credit history. It's not just about credit cards. Building a credit mix by using different types of credit, like auto loans, student loans, or personal loans, can enrich your credit history. Credit bureaus will assess your maturity and capability based on how well you manage these different forms of credit. This helps you build a stronger credit profile, making it easier to seize big opportunities in the future. So now, you've got all the important tips. But do you know what? Your credit score doesn't just help with bank loans. It can also give you a leg up in your professional life. Many companies consider your credit report in their initial evaluations. Surprised? It can actually open doors to even bigger opportunities in life. So, are you ready to seize this chance? Take your credit score to heights you've never reached before.